Welcome to this comprehensive guide on understanding data management basics. In today's digital age, data is often referred to as the new oil, powering decisions and driving innovation across every sector. Grasping how to effectively manage this invaluable resource is no longer optional, it is a fundamental requirement for success. This session will provide a foundational understanding of data management, explaining its core concepts and practical applications. We will explore why it is so crucial in our data-driven world and what benefits it offers to individuals and organizations alike. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge to navigate the complexities of data with confidence. Data management is the overarching process of handling data throughout its entire existence. It encompasses a series of systematic activities designed to ensure data is valuable and accessible. This includes everything from its initial collection to its eventual disposal. At its core, data management aims to ensure data accuracy, accessibility, and security. These three pillars are essential for any organization that relies on information to function effectively. Without proper management, data can become a liability rather than an asset. In our modern world, data management is a fundamental requirement for nearly every enterprise. The sheer volume of data generated daily demands structured approaches to harness its potential. It underpins digital transformation and strategic planning across all industries. Effective data management leads to several key outcomes. One of the most significant is informed decision-making. When data is accurate and readily available, leaders can make choices based on reliable evidence rather than intuition or guesswork. Another crucial outcome is enhanced operational efficiency. Well-managed data streamlines processes, reduces redundancies, and automates tasks. This allows organizations to operate more smoothly and allocate resources more effectively. Furthermore, robust data management provides a competitive advantage. Organizations that can quickly access, analyze, and act upon their data are better positioned to identify market trends and respond to customer needs. This agility can set them apart from their competitors. Throughout this discussion, we will delve into the core principles and essential components of data management. We will explore the lifecycle of data and the various elements that contribute to its effective handling. This foundational knowledge is key to unlocking data's full potential. A central concept in data management is the data lifecycle. This framework describes the stages data goes through from its creation to its eventual destruction. Understanding this cycle is vital for implementing effective management strategies. The data lifecycle ensures that data is managed consistently and appropriately at each stage. It provides a structured approach to handling information, maximizing its value while minimizing risks. Each phase has specific requirements and best practices. The first stage is data creation. This is where data originates from various sources. It can be generated through transactions, sensor readings, user inputs, or even manual entry. Data creation is a continuous process in most modern environments. The quality of data at this initial stage significantly impacts its usefulness throughout the rest of its life cycle. Therefore, careful attention must be paid to data input methods. Following creation, data moves into the data storage stage. Here, the primary goal is the secure preservation of the data. This involves choosing appropriate storage solutions that protect against loss, corruption, or unauthorized access. Storage also focuses on the organized preservation of data. Data must be structured in a way that allows for easy retrieval and management. This often involves databases, file systems, or cloud storage solutions designed for specific data types. The third stage is data processing. This phase involves several critical activities to prepare data for use. One key activity is cleaning data, which removes errors, duplicates, and inconsistencies. Processing also includes transforming data into a usable format. This might involve converting data types, aggregating information, or restructuring it to fit analytical models. Data transformation ensures compatibility and consistency. Finally, data processing involves analyzing data to extract meaningful insights. This can range from simple reporting to complex statistical analysis and machine learning. The goal is to uncover patterns and trends that inform decision-making. Next is the data use stage, where the processed data is leveraged for insights and actions. This is where the value of data truly materializes, as it informs business strategies, improves operations, and enhances customer experiences. Data use involves applying insights derived from analysis to real-world scenarios. This could mean personalizing marketing campaigns, optimizing supply chains, or developing new products and services. The data drives tangible outcomes. The final stage is archiving or destruction. Archiving involves preserving data for long-term access, even if it is no longer actively used. This is often done for regulatory compliance, historical analysis, or future reference. Conversely, destruction involves securely removing data that is no longer needed or legally required. This prevents unauthorized access to sensitive information and reduces storage overhead. Proper destruction methods are crucial for data privacy. Effective data management relies on several interconnected components working in harmony. Each component addresses a specific aspect of data handling, contributing to the overall integrity and utility of information. Understanding these elements is crucial for building a robust data strategy. One foundational component is data governance. This establishes the policies, standards, and procedures for managing data within an organization. It defines who is responsible for data and how it should be handled. Data governance ensures data quality, consistency, and compliance with internal and external regulations. It provides the framework for decision-making about data, promoting accountability and transparency across the organization. Without strong governance, data can quickly become chaotic. Another critical component is data architecture. This defines the structure and organization of an organization's data systems. It outlines how data is collected, stored, integrated, and consumed. Data architecture includes various elements like databases, which store structured information in an organized manner. It also encompasses data warehouses, designed for analytical processing, and data lakes, which can store vast amounts of raw, unstructured data. A well-designed architecture ensures data is accessible and scalable. Data security is paramount in any data management strategy. Its purpose is to protect data from unauthorized access, breaches, and loss. Data security measures are essential to maintain trust and comply with privacy regulations. This component employs various measures, such as encryption, which scrambles data to prevent unauthorized reading. It also includes access controls, which restrict who can view or modify specific data sets. These layers of protection are vital. Regular backups are another crucial aspect of data security. They ensure that data can be recovered in the event of system failures, cyber attacks, or accidental deletion. A comprehensive backup strategy is a cornerstone of data resilience. Data quality is a continuous effort to ensure the accuracy, completeness, and consistency of data. High-quality data is reliable and trustworthy, making it suitable for analysis and decision-making. Poor data quality can lead to flawed insights and costly mistakes. Achieving data quality involves processes like data cleansing, which identifies and corrects errors or inconsistencies. It also includes data validation, which checks data against predefined rules to ensure its integrity. These processes maintain the reliability of information. Finally, data integration is the process of combining data from different sources into a unified view. In today's complex IT environments, data often resides in disparate systems, making integration essential for a holistic understanding. Data integration provides a comprehensive and consistent view of information across an organization. This unified perspective is critical for advanced analytics, reporting, and operational efficiency. It breaks down data silos. Techniques like extract, transform, load, or ETL are commonly used for data integration. ETL involves extracting data from source systems, transforming it into a consistent format, and then loading it into a target system, such as a data warehouse. This systematic approach ensures data is ready for use. Implementing robust data management practices yields significant benefits for any organization. These advantages extend across various operational and strategic areas, enhancing overall performance and competitiveness. Understanding these benefits underscores the importance of investing in data management. One primary benefit is improved decision-making. With reliable and accurate information at hand, leaders can make more informed choices. This reduces uncertainty and increases the likelihood of positive outcomes for the business. High-quality data provides a clear picture of current operations, market trends, and customer behavior. This clarity empowers strategic planning and tactical adjustments, leading to more effective business strategies. Decisions are no longer based on guesswork. Robust data management also leads to enhanced operational efficiency. By streamlining processes and automating tasks related to data handling, organizations can reduce manual effort and errors. This frees up resources for more strategic activities. Efficient data flows minimize delays and improve the speed at which information is processed and utilized. This agility allows businesses to respond more quickly to changing market conditions and customer demands, optimizing their day-to-day operations. Furthermore, effective data management fosters compliance with various industry regulations and legal requirements. Many sectors have strict rules regarding data privacy, retention, and security. Proper management ensures adherence to these mandates. Compliance helps avoid hefty fines, legal challenges, and reputational damage. It demonstrates an organization's commitment to responsible data handling, building trust with customers and regulatory bodies alike. Data governance plays a key role here. Better customer experiences are another significant benefit. By effectively managing customer data, organizations can gain deeper insights into individual preferences and behaviors. This enables the delivery of personalized services and tailored communications. Understanding customer needs through data allows businesses to anticipate demands and offer relevant solutions. This leads to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately, stronger relationships. Data-driven personalization is a powerful tool. Finally, robust data management unlocks new revenue streams. By analyzing well-managed data, organizations can identify emerging market trends and untapped opportunities. This foresight can lead to the development of innovative products or services. Data can reveal patterns that indicate new customer segments or unmet needs. Leveraging these insights allows businesses to diversify their offerings and expand into new markets, driving growth and increasing profitability. It transforms data into a strategic asset. Despite its numerous benefits, data management presents several significant challenges. Organizations must be aware of these hurdles to develop effective strategies for overcoming them. Addressing these complexities is crucial for successful data initiatives. One major challenge stems from the phenomenon of big data. The sheer volume, velocity, and variety of data generated today require sophisticated storage and processing capabilities. Traditional data management tools often struggle to cope with this scale. Managing big data involves complex infrastructure, advanced analytics techniques, and specialized expertise. Ensuring data quality and accessibility across such massive datasets is a continuous and demanding task. It pushes the boundaries of existing systems. Data privacy is another critical challenge, especially with the proliferation of regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, or CCPA. These laws impose strict requirements on how personal data is collected, stored, and processed. Compliance with these regulations demands meticulous data mapping, consent management, and robust security measures. Organizations must navigate a complex legal landscape to protect individual privacy rights, which can be a significant undertaking. Maintaining data quality across diverse sources is an ongoing struggle for many organizations. Data often originates from various systems, departments, and external partners, each with its own formats and standards. This leads to inconsistencies and errors. Ensuring accuracy, completeness, and consistency requires continuous monitoring, cleansing, and validation processes. Without a unified approach to data quality, insights derived from the data can be unreliable and misleading. It is a perpetual effort. The need for skilled professionals poses another significant challenge. Effective data management requires expertise in areas such as data architecture, database administration, data governance, and data security. There is a global shortage of these specialized skills. Recruiting, training, and retaining qualified data professionals is essential for building and maintaining robust data management systems. Organizations must invest in their workforce to ensure they have the talent necessary to manage their data assets effectively. Finally, evolving technologies present a continuous challenge. The data landscape is constantly changing, with new tools, platforms, and methodologies emerging regularly. This requires continuous learning and adaptation from organizations. Keeping pace with technological advancements, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud computing, is vital for staying competitive. Organizations must be agile enough to integrate new technologies while managing their existing data infrastructure. This constant evolution demands strategic foresight. In conclusion, understanding and implementing effective data management is absolutely essential for navigating the modern data landscape. It is no longer a technical afterthought but a strategic imperative for every organization. The ability to harness data effectively determines success in today's competitive environment. To truly unlock the potential of data, organizations must embrace the entire data lifecycle and implement robust management measures at each stage. From creation to destruction, every step requires careful planning and execution. This holistic approach ensures data remains a valuable asset. The ultimate goal of data management is to unlock the full potential of data and achieve significant business benefits. By ensuring data is accurate, accessible, and secure, organizations can drive informed decisions, enhance efficiency, and foster innovation. This transforms raw data into actionable intelligence,